Me say the reason why Vybz Kartel and Young Boss are because Vybz Kartel stay at jail and take a Young Boss girl. See? So, oh, that warrant for you feel like you have to tell Foota to go suck him mother. And you're afraid to tell Kartel go suck him mother. And you're afraid to tell the girl we got there with Kartel to suck her mother. First thing people now wonder, I wish girl Kartel take away. Remember say, when young snail, dancehall spread, get him look a song, and him a go on, him go there with the rebel. Zine? Kartel like rebel. And Kartel look rebel. And get rebel. I know rebel are going with her thing. And I send Kartel in picture and in video them. Zine? And young Sprat search her phone and see the message them to Kartel. And I war with her. And thing. And that's why you see she left Young Sprat here now. Young Sprat, tell the people them what home girl do you with the dildo. Man a gang up and fuck no. Girl a gang up and fuck no. Girl a dildo a ram no on the junk. Stay on a batty man. You know, stay on a bad man.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat. And as you can see, bottom of the screen, Dancing Rebel is the reason why Vybz Kartel make Intence get on the man. Because you know that boy, they feel away when them search home girl phone. And sis, yeah, send the good up thing to the boss when them they there at prison. This is some people putting at the comment section where you think about that. Because a lot of people, they think say, Intence did fish out. As you heard Foota hype in the beginning, say him have proof that them deal to him and all type of things. This is my say, and we know him swing on Alkaline side, the Brawta side. As you see him do interview what they are saying, he chose that side over Vybz Kartel side because of pony feelings in my carry. You see my say. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
Man a gang up and fuck no. Girl a gang up and fuck no. Girl a build a ram no on the junk. Stay on a batty man. You know, stay on a bad man. Me not have to talk badness or tell a man go suck him mother if he say me bad. Zine? Me no say me treat like arrow. Zine? Me no suck pussy and me no fuck batty. Phone boss. We not talk about young badness and young man and I can't this young. And young man. Where young a go. Young a way man ride and dilly-dally and skid and jump up and man a jump in a young boss. Me see the ambassador for Batty business put out a picture with him, the dancer, and young boss. And none of them never say nothing. That means say, uno agree with the Batty ambassador say, the young boss a Batty boy. That's the first thing. You see when I run all over a place and I try, say you know want style Foota. I never saw now run and I try style Batty boy. So a straight man in a well want style. Here what I go on now. Jamaica run away. See, Ragging King get shot there. Almost dead. Give God thanks him still alive. Tommy Lee wanted. So in a music business now, them a target entertainer. You have to kill you or send you to prison. So, I'm not going to tell you, say, we're going to hold you and broke you up. Because a piece we are dealing with the music. But know this, you're not on manners. Look at snail. Look at tadpole. You're not on manners. You say, Foota, if you go suck your mother, you pass your place. And as long as you live, keep it in the back of your brain. So you tell Foota if you go suck your mother. Remember it in the back of your brain, you know. As long as you live. Zine? So, no say nothing. Big up yourself. You say Foota if you go suck your mother. Everything good. Just look out of your eye and watch the results. And all the people them will tell Foota go suck your mother and try style Foota. Because first thing, Me never diss you. Me never diss you. Me say the reason why Vybz Kartel and Young Boss are because Vybz Kartel stay at jail and take away Young Boss girl. See? So, oh, that warrant for you feel like you have to tell Foota to go suck him mother. And you're afraid to tell Kartel go suck him mother. And you're afraid to tell the girl who go there with Kartel to suck her mother. But you feel like if you tell Foota go suck him mother, you pass your place. All me I tell you, keep it at the back of your head at all times. See? You tell Foota I go suck him mother. Cool. First thing people now wonder, I wish girl Kartel take away. Remember say, when Young Snail, dancehall Sprat, get him look a song, and him a go on, him go there with the Rebel. Zine? Kartel like Rebel, and Kartel look Rebel, and get Rebel. I know Rebel a go on with her thing, and I send Kartel him picture and him video them. Zine? And Young Sprat search her phone and see the message them to Kartel and a war with her and thing. And that's why you see she left Young Sprat here now. See? So a Rebel, him and Kartel are go at it fine. Let me make sure I tell you, since una go like a something that fit hide, him search Rebel phone and find out say the world boss have Rebel lock. And Rebel are go on with the things them. And I send Kartel the video them. And I send him the something them. And him war the girl. Zine? Zine? So, if Foota hype comes say, people, nobody feel like dancehall Sprat and Kartel are war for nothing, you know. And the lyrics business, you know. You are going to run, go say, suck mother, you pass your place, dog, you better you say something else. You see me? Zine? So, remember say, you know, before Young Badness get him song, you know, him not a girl. Him not a girl. So, world boss say, yo, mama either me or him, you know. And mama come so go and Lego Young Sprat. And the over world boss side. Zine? Young boss can't tell me go suck my mother when me a straight man. Zine, me know say everybody pan yes to suck their mother. Remember say, you know, I water, you know, tell him girl say. Can girl ask her say, why Young Sprat look so cranny and always having pants on them bottom, advertising bottom. You know the girl tell me say I water tell her. Say him have mental issues because his father used to play with him from him little. And no me say so, you know. And no me say so. I your friend, I water. Tell him girl that you know that. Not me. So when I go hate me again, for talk the party again. That's why you and your father so close. You don't really like your father, but because of insecurity and fear, you stick up around your father. Remember the brown girl where I water there with Rebel friend, as she see him one talk, say your father and mother say from here, look at you. So I don't like your warm bleach, you know. But you don't like your real self. Because of the abuse. You don't like your real self. That's why you bleach. That's why you tattoo up. That's why you have mental disorder. Because you get fondled with too much time. You understand what I say? So you have to tell the people them are really are going with you. He's a troubled kid. You understand? He's a troubled little kid. So you feel like, say you feel bad if you say, Foota go suck your mother. Me suck my mother. Me suck my mother. Of course. You suck your father. That are the big problem in your dog. You suck your father. His lack of mother's love make you do yourself, so you know. That's why you move so cranny and always have your pants under your body. You're a little molested child. You get fondled with, you know. Remember your father play with you a long time, you know. I water, walk and talk that, you know. People remember say you have intense jet life and you have I water jet life. When I water and the brown girl sleep and them a lie down and them a talk. And she say, why your friend have to bleach out? And them thing the I water tell the girl. And who the girl come back come tell. No Foota hype. Foota hype. So he's a batty boy. That's why when the ambassador for batty business could have put out your picture and talk plain, say you're one of them. Remember the man put up himself, film on a picture, put up your picture, and put up the dancer picture. And say, 3 Musketeers or so. When did say again? Oh, Charlie's Angels. Remember that good now. Remember good now, man. Remember good. You understand? So, here's a sprat. See, there's somebody say, I know that boy a fish from me see him. Man, son, and 9 or ass. So, all the day in the business, I do up the business. Me never trouble you, Bridget. Me never diss you. Remember say, you know, the girl where you wife up, you know. I force someone to do it, you know. Tell the people them what she deal with the dildo, you know. Young sprat. Tell the people them what home girl do you with the dildo. Remember 3 of them you sleep with. The first time she used dildo upon you, you know, young boss. Remember 1 house a girl, you know, where the whole of them are lesbian, you know. And you junk and go over there, you know. And them freaky and do your base something and ram you the dildo, you know. Tell the people them. Tell the people them. Tell the people them. And 1 house a girl, you know, remember. Remember, I know, you there with the rebel, you know. A rebel there with you, you know. Remember, good. Remember, say a rebel do what she want to do to you, you know, young badness. Remember, I know you a fuck, she a fuck you, you know. Remember, good. Remember, good. All of your young as them, fit know what them a do before them come trouble people. And remember say you is a batty boy, you know. Remember that good. Okay. Remember, me never this you. Me know your business and me never want to talk. Me never want to talk so rebel rape you. She and her 2 friends them. Remember, me never want to talk that. Remember, rebel ram you with the dildo. And the whole of Waltham know, the whole of Chisholm know. And nobody never say nothing. Remember, nobody not say nothing. I mean, not trouble you. Me know you're sprat. Me know you're sprat. I mean, not say nothing to you. You have your little one song. I will go boom and play your one song. See, make a dance all we do. Me have couple of my friend. I mean, I say nothing to you. Then you come, oh, Sir P did telling already, say my batty boy. You see it? Me never did know that. Me never did know, say Sir P telling us that the boy a sprat. Me, the boy over freaky, the little snail over freaky. No used to nothing. No used to girl and no used to treat some of them something and force some. This cranny boy, this snail looking boy. This little sprat, dancehall sprat. Oh, you fi come ramp with me. Me never did know say Sir P said that. Me never know say Sir P said that because me never follow Sir P. Me not a notification team page. But the girl them ramming me dildo and talk. Alright, why you think I water not to par up with him? Why you think I water jet life not to par with the blood clot dancehall sprat? You know notice say I water do different thing from where Intence do. You don't realize that. You don't realize that. You don't realize that. That's why when she bought that talk, Intence couldn't say nothing. That's why they make posters and put out with him and advertise him as Batty Boy. Him have to keep him more locked. Because the people that know him story and know say from him lickle him father fingle him. That's why he moves so feminine and cream out him hair and bleach out and him pants them heavy there and there in Batty wall. Fiend Batty ever out a door. Batty too hot. Him have to breeze out in Batty. Him father that kill him, dude. Uno want to argue with straight people. Uno want to argue with bad people. Really and truly, me don't want none of my friend them even do nothing. Because we don't want do no physical harm to nobody. You understand? Some even want, because some of my friends them serious, they may take it to heart and hold you and break you out. I mean, I want that. But if you know yourself, don't quick for contact or suck mother. When you know you're a batty boy, you come out suck mother like you're a bad man, like you're a fish, you're like a sprat. And you are the dancehall sprat. Tell the people them, say multiple times, you have to go to a clinic because your father molest you and fondle your bottom. When you
And Foota hype is right. These guys and girls is afraid to call name, you know. That's why the older generation, them different, you know. The Alliance and the Gaza and the Gully, them man, they call him straight up. You know what I mean? Alkaline brave, but him still a coward because him have to do the same name calling, know that cartel their road. You see me, I say, I can match badness with fishness. You see me? Anyway, people, we're not going longer, this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell especially, and turn on all so you'll be notified whenever we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Please.